We have been working with Graham Waters, and he is not in charge of his own story because the white lawyer is in charge because he pressures Graham into following his command. He was blackmailed with his brother's charges, which made him lie to the authorities, and he was manipulated into lying.
He tries to come back into his mother's life by helping her with groceries and checking up on her. That fails when the mother blames Graham for his brother Peter's death, and she gives the dead brother the credit for all the help. Graham did not want to ruin her good impression of the dead son by correcting her.
The lawyer puts him in a difficult dilemma by making him choose between the truth and his family, which also includes his race. What his mother does not know is that he chose family over the law, so when she blames him for the death of his brother, he feels frustrated because she will never know the truth about what Graham did for them.
The picture shown on the screen illustrates in a medium shot how Graham tries to hold his mother and comfort her, but she holds herself instead of around him, and this is a sign of how their relationship truly is. Graham goes through a big development. In the beginning of the movie, he does not treat his mother right, which Rhea points out, and he rarely visits her and do not have time to help her find the brother, even though he knows it's a big concern of hers. Throughout the story, he improves his relation with his mother after noticing how poorly she is doing. Graham has broken out of the social heritage. He has a job while his brother Peter is a criminal.
And the mother compares the two of them and believes that Graham has become too good for them. And after that accusation, his crash happens. He had done everything he could to make up for his poor treatment of his family and ends up losing them all. And instead of being proud of Graham, his mother views the situation as negative, which pushes Graham even further away and brings him back to where he started in the beginning of the movie all alone.
Graham is in his action both consistent and surprising. He is consistent because he gets manipulated into making the choices he does by other people, and it is not a decision he gets to make on his own. He is surprising because in the beginning he tells his mother that he is with a white woman just to provoke her, and later on he changes his attitude and chooses family over everything else, even when it involves lying and breaking the law. He risks all the work he has done to break out of the social heritage, aside to show the importance of his family.
The society is very divided by color. Although the races live side by side, they do not get along. The colored people, such as the Mexicans, the Persians, the Asians, and the blacks in the movie, feels oppressed by the whites. An example of this is when the policeman gives Peter, Graham's brother, a ride. Peter wishes to go somewhere black and explains that he does not belong in this part of town.
A symbol in the movie is the religious figure Saint Christopher that both Peter and the detective have. Peter laughs because he has found something they have in common despite their race. Because of the prejudice, Peter ends up getting shot. A film technical effect that is used to point out the symbolism is the camera angle where the figure is shown in a close-up shot. This scene is very ironic. A criminal and a detective of different colors are in the same car and have finally found something in common, but prejudice keeps taking the best of everybody.